Hey guys, let's check out this duster blower that I received for reviewing purposes. I think that it's a really nice set because it comes with different accessories that can help you dust whenever you need it. We got the instruction manual with all the important information, all the accessories comes included, and everything, how to use it, which I think that it's nice. Let's check out first the accessories, okay? We got in this bag some different kinds of nozzles depending of where you wanna use it, with what you're gonna use it. You can pump things up, use to clean everything. You get even this little brush, which I know it's really nice. This one to pump stuff like a inflatable kids pool, another brush, but this one is a little bit smaller with some different kind of bristles, and this other one. Okay, I think that they are really, really nice. Okay, let's check out the proper main unit now. And as you can see, it's quite small, which I think that it's really, really nice. You place the attachments in this side, and with the button you turn it on. We can see the battery level in here. When we press the button, we can long press to turn it on, and we can see it's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, 5. Okay, we get 6 different levels, which I think that it's great. Okay, and it's really, really easy to use. Just control it with one button. Okay. On the back side, we get a USB Type-C charging port that we can use with a included cable, which is USB Type-C to Type-A. And what I've said is that you can place all the different nozzles to use like this for a um, more concentrated purposes, hard to reach areas or anything. So this is like a precision one, so in some cracks on the wall or anything that you get, you can just use it with it. So let's go ahead and start testing it out. I'm gonna test it out in here in my workplace, just around dusting some of the laptops, computers that we have in here. I'm gonna use it with this attachment, and well, let's go. This air duster can reach up to 150,000 RPMs, which enables for efficient removal of any kind of dust or debris that is where you are cleaning, which I think it's nice. And the 6 adjustable speeds are great to meet any kind of diverse cleaning that you need. And something that I think that it's great is that as it has Type-C charging, it can achieve a full battery charge in just about 2.7 hours once the battery is depleted. Once that it's charged, it can deliver up to 100 minutes of continuous use on just the first speed, which I think that it's really, really nice. Obviously, it's quite portable, and you can take it with you in any kind of bag. It's like the size of a cell phone, which I think that it's really perfect. The handle is actually really comfortable, and with it you can access tight spaces really effortlessly, which I think that it's perfect. Well, you can take it with you when you are traveling around. You can use it to start a fire in a campsite, or if you're gonna do some barbecue, I think that that's a nice option. And with the different attachments, you can do any kind of cleaning that you need. Okay guys, as you can see, it's really nice. In this case, I will be using it in here in my office, clean all the desk and stuff like that, just to get the dust out of here. But I think that it's gonna be a really nice tool that you can use in your house when you're dusting in each kind of room, which I think that it's nice, or wherever you need to have this kind of duster around when you're making some wood crafting or anything. I think that it's really nice. It's quite compact, which I think that it's nice, and it doesn't weigh that much. And overall, I think that it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. So you guys.